Good morning team. Welcome to the Power BI world. We are learn today the first session how to download, install and set up a Power BI. For that we can go to the Chrome now and install the Power BI. Right now are you able to see this is the main Power BI desktop window. Okay. So we can see each and every tab buttons or each and every all that calculations, DAX calculations, formulas, visualizations, data, how to get the transform data, each and every steps we can learn in today's sessions, also going to step by step. So first of all, we move on the Chrome tab, Google Chrome, and download the Power BI desktop. So go to the Google Chrome and type download Power BI desktop. Once you enter the button, you get a first of all download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official website. You can click from there. Then you can just click on download. You're getting both options, Power BI desktop setup 64 and Power BI desktop setup. So just remember that you can just select first option, that's 64, and click on download. Once hit the button of click download, the download automatically start on your desktop or laptop. You can see the download is in progress. It's taking a time maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. This is depend on your connection or network. Till that time Power BI download, we can go once again the Power BI desktop, and now you can see there are the important tabs. There are 3 tabs, main tabs. You can see the data tabs, the visualization tab and filters tab. This is the main tab, so we can put it the data on Power BI desktop, create the visualizations and getting the insights from the data. Okay, now we can once again move on Chrome. Now you can see in downloads the Power BI desktop setup already downloaded. Okay, so I have already Power BI desktop downloaded. So once you want to once again update or download the Power BI, first of all you need to close this Power BI desktop. So I'm closing this Power BI desktop. Don't save, and I'm going to the download button. First go to the click on the downloaded Power BI desktop and clicking the double click on that. So if you download first time, so you're getting the same option. Just click on that download or Power BI desktop and you're getting these options. So click on next. So it will be taking the allow this app to make the changes devices from the administrator. So you click on OK. Then you need to wait because it's taking a time to so much for computing space requirements. Also he checking in your PC or laptop is supported to your these applications or not. Also they checking the requirements, the space requirements and memory requirements. Okay, yes, so Power BI is downloaded. Now we are going to install in your desktop or laptop. Just click on next. Yes, checkbox, you need to click on that. I accept the terms and the license agreement. Then click on next. Here you need to choose a path. So where you need to store that Power BI desktop, on your selected folder or on your desktop or on your C folder. So you can just click on that chat change and whatever you want add the path, you can just add here path and click on OK. Then click on the next. Here is the option create a desktop shortcut. If you want, when install the Power BI desktop, you want to create a shortcut on desktop, just click on checkbox. If you don't want, just uncheck. But my opinion is create a desktop shortcut because it's easily to open your desktop. Click on that one click. Yes, just click on install. So the installation process is going on. So once again taking a 2-3 minutes time to install the Power BI desktop on your folder, and also create a desktop shortcut on desktop. Now we are going to elaborate the Power BI steps. So now the Power BI finally installed on your laptop, and you're getting this window, main window of Power BI desktop. So you're getting this message, click on close, and this is the main window of Power BI desktop. So means we are successfully installed the Power BI desktop on your desktop or laptop. Okay, so this is the first step. So how to download, install and set up the Power BI desktop on your laptop or computer. So yes, that's it for today's session. We are going to learn the stepwise. In the next session, we are taking the first step in the Power BI desktop. How can we get the data in Power BI desktop? If any you have concerns or feedbacks, so you can message me or ping me. Thank you.